Hello, fourth graders. Our lesson is still going to be about division, but in this lesson we are going to know how to divide by 10 and to divide by 100. Those 4 examples just to show you how we are going to do them in a very easy and fast way. Okay, so it's going to be to divide by 10 and to divide by 100. Okay, an easy way to figure out 29 divided by 10 is asking ourselves how many tens in 29. Okay, it's easy. There is 2 tens because 10 times 2 equals 20. Okay, an easier way to figure out is to point out where's the place of tens. Remember, this is the place of units. Some other people called it place of ones. Okay, and here is the place of tens, right? So this is the place of the tens. So look at this place. How many tens do you see? I can see 2 tens. So the answer of 29 divided by 10 equals 2. I'm going to do it underneath. So 29, how many tens? There is 2 tens when you look at the tens place. So there is 2. 2 times 10 equals 20. Subtract. The remainder is 0. So 29 divided by 10, divided by 10 equals 2, and remainder, as you can see, is 9. How about if we got a larger number? Remember, this is the ones, tens, and hundreds. Point out the tens place. Here's the tens place. When you want to know how many tens here, just take the tens place and all other places that are on the greater places. So I'm going to circle the tens and the hundreds, and this is the number of tens here. So how many tens in 329? There's 32 tens, and the remainder is going to be what is in the ones place. So again, 329 divided by 10 is going to be the tens and the hundreds place, 32, and the remainder what's in the ones place, which is 9. There is no need to do the long division here. Okay? Another example, 456 divided by 10. Again, point out the tens digit and the places that comes after the greater places. So how many tens in 456? There is 45 tens, and the remainder what's in the ones place, which is 6. Again, 456 divided by 10. Again, the tens and what comes after these the larger places equals 45. Remainder what comes in the ones place equals 6. Okay, here's a larger number that's in the thousands places. Thousands place. Okay, point out the tens, hundreds, and the thousands together. So take all the digits from the tens and above. In this case, we have tens, hundreds, and thousands. So how many tens is in 7,201? There's 720 tens, and the remainder what comes in the ones digit, which is 1. So 7,201 divided by 10. The answer will be the tens place and what comes after in larger places equals 720. And the remainder, what comes in the ones digit, in this case it's 1. It's easy to call the pattern here when we come to know how to divide by 100. Okay, so it's obvious here. Is there anything in that hundreds place when you want to divide 29? How many hundreds? Actually, it is 0. There is no hundreds here in this number. Okay, so 29 divided by 100. Okay, like the case in how to divide by a 10, we are going to do the same procedure for dividing by 100, but in this case we are going to look at the hundreds and take all the digits, the higher places that comes after the hundredths place. So in this case, the number of hundreds here is 0, and what's left in the ones and the hundreds, the tens digits are going to be the remainder. So 29 divided by 100 is 0 hundreds, and the remainder is going to be the 29 itself. I know it's a little bit confusing, but it's going to be so clear on the next question. Okay, how many hundreds in 519? Okay, you have to look at the hundreds. Take the hundreds digit, and if there's another more places, you have to circle them out. And the ones and the tens place are going to be the remainder in this case by dividing by 100. So how many hundreds? 519. Obviously there is 5 hundreds, and the remainder is going to be the ones and the tens digit together. So 519 divided by 100. Circle the 100 and other places above it. There is nothing. So there is 5 hundreds, and the remainder is going to be the ones and the tens digit, which is 19. Okay, this question again. 902, how many hundreds? Circle the hundreds and above places. There's 9 hundreds, and the remainder is going to be the ones and the tens place. So 902 divided by 100. There is 9 in the hundreds, and the remainder was going to be sorry, in the ones and the tens place, which is 2. There is no need to write down the 0. Okay, larger number, 8,000. How many hundreds? Again, point out the hundreds place. Here's the hundred place. Circle the hundreds place and the larger places. Okay, so it's obvious. Here's our answer, the quotient, here it is, and here is the remainder in this case. So 8,000. How many hundreds? I've circled the hundreds and the thousands place. So our answer is going to be 80. And the remainder in this case, because there is nothing in ones and tens place, the remainder is 0.